Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage. Today is a new beginning, a fresh canvas. This is your sacred space to rise with intention, to realign with peace, and to awaken your true self before the world awakes. Let this moment be just for you. Let go of all expectations. You're not behind, you're not late, you're right on time in this breath, in this stillness, in this journey. Let us begin. Gently close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel the air expanding your chest, your belly, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Once more, inhale deeply, hold for a moment, and exhale slowly, releasing all tension. With each breath, you feel more grounded. With each breath, you return to your center. Now, imagine the soft golden light of morning rising over a peaceful horizon. That light begins to wrap around you, softly warming your skin, illuminating your body, your thoughts, your spirit. You are sitting in this warm glow, calm and supported. Everything feels fresh, possible, aligned. This light is not outside of you, it is you. You are radiant, calm, and completely connected to the energy of this new day. Now, begin to imagine your perfect day. Visualize yourself moving through it with clarity, confidence, and peace. You speak kindly to yourself, you move with purpose, you face challenges with calm and wisdom. What do you want to create today? What energy do you wish to attract? Feel it as if it's already here. Say quietly to yourself, today I welcome opportunity. Today I choose alignment. Today I move toward my dreams with courage and grace. Now gently ask yourself, why am I so calm and clear this morning? Why does everything seem to flow in my favor today? Why do I naturally attract peace, love, and abundance? Why do I feel so aligned with my purpose? Let these powerful questions plant seeds in your mind. Allow your subconscious to seek the answers throughout your day. Now, return to your breath. Feel its rhythm, its steadiness, its truth. There's nothing to force, just be with your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Let each breath be a reminder you are here, you are safe, you are supported. Now, gently scan your body from head to toe. Relax your forehead, soften your jaw, unclench your shoulders, release your belly. Let your hands and feet grow heavy. With every breath, your body sinks deeper into comfort and ease. You don't need to hold anything right now. Just be. And now, as we come to the close of this meditation, remember, you are not just a witness of the day, you are its creator. You hold power in your presence. You carry peace wherever you go. You are light, you are grounded, you are free. Take one final deep breath in. Exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome the day with a calm mind, a strong heart, and a radiant spirit. Thank you for beginning your morning with Guided Meditation Voyage. You are ready. Shine forward. Namaste.